In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Powerform using Docusign Esignature. Powerforms are an incredibly useful tool within Docusign, allowing you to send out documents that others can fill in and sign on their own time without the need for direct email exchanges. They're ideal for commonly used documents that need frequent signing. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up your very own Powerform. First, we need to start at the very beginning. Open up your web browser and head over to Docusign's website. This is your one-stop destination for all things related to electronic signatures and agreement management. It's the #1 platform for these services, offering a comprehensive suite for managing digital transactions from start to finish. Once you are on the home page, look towards the upper right section of the screen. There you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and give that a click. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to sign up first. Follow the on-screen instructions to register and then return to the login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign home. This is essentially your dashboard, a central hub where you can manage all your documents and agreements. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. Now focus your attention on the side navigation bar. You'll see a tab labeled Agreements. Click on it to reveal more options related to managing your documents and forms. Scrolling through this section will lead you to discover various functionalities at your disposal. Next, locate and click on the Powerforms tab. This is where the magic happens. Powerforms allow you to prepare templates that recipients can easily access, fill out and submit online. You'll be amazed at how much time they can save both for you and your recipients. Once you're in the Powerforms section, you'll notice an upgrade button. Clicking on this button might be necessary depending on your current subscription plan. Some features in Docusign, including certain Powerform capabilities, require a plan upgrade. Follow any prompts to complete this step if required to gain access to the full functionalities of Powerforms. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now successfully initiated the creation of a Powerform within Docusign. Once you've set up your form to suit your specific needs, share it with your intended recipients and they can fill it out at their convenience. Powerforms streamline the signing process and efficiently manage recurring documentation needs. Don't forget to explore other features within Docusign that can further enhance your document management experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy form creating!